Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Firefox tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to change the download location in Firefox. This is actually quite simple. First I open Firefox and find myself here on my start page. To change the download location I click on the three bars at the top right and go to Settings. Here we stay in the General tab and scroll down until we reach Files and Applications. And this is also the area for the downloads. In the first step, I can change the download location for Firefox. I click on Browse and select this folder on my desktop. At the end, I click on Select Folder and we have already changed the download location for Firefox. If I don't want a default folder for my downloads, I can also check this box and will be asked where the file should be saved for each download. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.